Waste management service in Lakeway, Texas. A clean and clutter-free space is essential for productivity and peace of mind. Proper waste disposal is necessary whether working on a construction project, cleaning your home, or running a business. At J.W. & Company Contractor Services LLC, we specialize in waste management services in Lakeway, Texas, providing reliable and efficient solutions to keep your space organized and waste-free. We understand that every project has unique waste management needs. That's why we offer high-quality dumpster rentals tailored to suit jobs of all sizes. From minor home renovations to large-scale construction sites, we have the perfect dumpster to handle your waste disposal efficiently. Our roll-off dumpsters come in various sizes, making it easy to find the right fit for your project. We deliver quickly and pick up on time, so you don't have to worry about waste piling up. Our goal is to provide a seamless, hassle-free experience for every customer. We make waste disposal convenient and affordable with flexible rental periods and budget-friendly pricing. Our team can always help you choose the right dumpster and answer any questions about our process. Don't let waste become a burden. Take control with our waste management service in Lakeway, Texas. Call us today at 512-702-9393 and let's keep Lakeway clean together.